All right, I'm going to show you a few issues with Blackboard Ultra. And the one that I've seen lately is I'm trying to create a math test. Actually, this is the ACT post test, but it's the math section only. So once I go in to, for example, add a multiple choice question, and I'm just going to put something in. Normally there's verbiage and then there's an ACT problem. So I go to the plus symbol and I hit math so that I can type out the math problem using the math symbols or anything else that's needed for that problem. And once I click on that, it says an error occurred. Please check your internet connection and refresh the page. So that's been happening since Friday. It's now Monday. And Friday I was at home attempting to complete this. So obviously it's not my internet connection. I'm at Lawson State currently attempting to do that. Alright, that's just one issue that I really need resolved as soon as possible because the exam is Thursday and it's Monday. Alright, another problem that I noticed was sharing links to our Collaborate session. So if I go to view our recordings, and what I want to do is, what I try to do is post a link in Blackboard so that it's just another way that the students can get to the recording. So for example, I hit copy link. Copy the link. Now I normally would try to post it in Blackboard, but I want you to see once I try to open that link up, this happens. This recording isn't available to view. The session owner has disabled public access, or the link has expired. Well, we know the link hasn't expired because we just started the program this month. So I think it expires after 6 months, I believe. But it hasn't been 6 months. It hasn't even been a month yet. So that's another issue I've seen. And also I'm going to go to another one of my classes where I actually was able to create a test about a year ago. But now I'm noticing I copied over the exam for the next semester, and now I'm noticing once students submit their answers, I get this little image here. So I can't see what the image is because they've used that insert math tool. So now I get this little picture image, and I've tried to open it. I can't see what it is. So Blackboard automatically marks those wrong. And some of them, and I didn't catch that one, but some of them, for example, I've tried to just give them points for it if they wrote something in there. But that's a disadvantage to the students because they could have it right. And what I try to do for the most part is when I catch that, to go ahead and give them the answers, well, give them the points for that particular problem. But imagine doing that for all your students, having to do that when you don't know if it's right or wrong. You're just giving them the points for it. All right, that concludes my video on some of the issues I've seen in Blackboard. Of course, there are more issues, but from a math instructor's perspective, these definitely need to be resolved.